Dear students of class 12th, here is the fixture of 17 teams for a knockout tournament from your physical education. Number of teams that we have is 17. Total number of matches n-1, that is number of teams minus 1. 17 minus 1 is equal to 16. So total number of matches that we are going to have for 17 teams in a knockout tournament is 16. Now next thing that we have to do is to divide the teams into two halves, upper half and lower half. To have the number of teams in upper half, we have to do is number of teams plus 1 upon 2. Number of teams we have 17 plus 1 upon 2. So 17 plus 1 becomes to 18 divided by 2, and that gives us 9. So number of teams that we are going to have in upper half is 9. So n plus 1 upon 2 is the formula for taking out teams in the upper half. Secondly, number of teams in lower half, just the opposite of upper half. Where we are doing plus 1, here we have to do minus 1. So n minus 1 upon 2, 17 minus 1 upon 2. So 16 divided by 2, it gives us 8. So the number of teams that we have in the lower half is 8. The next question is, how do we take out byes for 17 teams? First of all, we have to search for a number in powers of 2 which is higher than the number of teams given to us. So we have taken here 2 power 5, that is the number we'll get is 32. So 32 minus 1 minus 17 is equal to 15. 32 minus 17 is equal to 15. So total byes that we are having is 15. Now number of byes in upper half, UH means upper half. Number of byes minus 1 upon 2. So number of byes that we have is 15. So 15 minus 1 upon 2. So 14 upon 2, it gives us 7. Number of byes in lower half, number of byes plus 1 upon 2. 15 plus 1 upon 2, 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So here we have discussed the number of teams, number of matches, number of teams in upper half, lower half, total number of byes in upper half and total number of byes in lower half. Thank you.